So with the recent Charlie Kirk shooting, I kind of see an agenda here. It's again getting people emoting, creating chaos, creating divide and rule. And the focus seems to be in the global media these weeks on violence. Like first we had the stabbing of the Ukraine woman. In the European media, there's also a focus on violence and on shootings and on murders. And in the USA, like killing this pro-Trump supporter and then, putting the blame on the left. It's divide and rule. It's what the elite have always done. It's playing out left against right, Republicans against Democrats. The right used to, 30 years ago, the right used to be the extremist and the bad guys. Now the left is the extremist. It shifted, but it's the same game. It's divide and rule. And we cannot let ourselves be drawn into this because that's what they want. And I think, although there's maybe not a lot of evidence as of yet for it, that is a psyop. Because it's the elites trying to pit us against each other, to keep us divided, to keep us fighting amongst each other. And how to get out of this is to stay cool-headed, to not get sucked into the chaos, into that chaotic energy that it's creating, And it's like, the image is getting shared all over internet because there's cameras all over the place these days with the cell phones, the blood gushing out. It's a psyop to desensitize us to, and also, but also to create anger in us, so we lash out and we are caught in that lower vibration of chaos, confusion, and anger. They do this, they create these emotions by creating these very shocking events to have us basically, not thinking clearly. So I think this is a sign. Of course, it's real. I believe Charlie Kirk is truly dead, and it's a tragedy. And he leaves the woman and the kids behind. It is a tragedy. But for these elites, and I think they're playing both sides. For these elites, if you're not part of like the bloodlines, you're just expendable. You're a sacrificial lamb, so to speak. So they're playing, and although it's true tragedy, like 9/11, 9/11 is 24 years ago. I'm recording this on 9/11. It was also, they create shocks to shock us into submission, to keep us confused, to keep us pouring out emotions, to generate energy for them, all that stuff. So we got to be cool, we got to be clear-headed, and we cannot fall into the trap of being played against each other. We got to choose love, we got to choose compassion, we got to choose cool level-headedness and strength, and not like lashing out, the left and this and that, because that's what they want.